Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The global VPN market is predicted to reach over $107.5 billion by 2027. Virtual private networks, that is VPNs, are used all over the world to provide people with encrypted connections to the internet. A VPN is a piece of software that creates a secure, that is encrypted internet connection, also known as VPN tunnel, between your device and the website or app you are trying to reach. When you use a VPN, your standard internet connection is redirected via a secure VPN server before connecting to the wider internet. Once you connect to a secure VPN server, your internet traffic goes through an encrypted tunnel that nobody can see into, including hackers, governments, and your internet service provider. Consumers use VPNs to keep their online activity private and ensure their internet experience is free from outside interference, and most of the enterprises are using VPNs to connect far-flung employees as if they were all using the same local network at a central office, but with fewer benefits for individuals than a personal VPN. Using your VPN changes your IP addresses, the unique number that identifies you and your location in the world. This new IP address will make you appear to be in the location you select when you connect. The UK, Germany, Canada, Japan, or virtually any country if the VPN service has servers there. Changing your IP address with a VPN helps shield your identity from websites, apps, and services that want to track you. Good VPNs also prevent your internet provider, mobile carrier, and anyone else who may be listening from seeing your activity thanks to a layer of strong encryption. VPNs can help secure data since encryption is a way of scrambling data so that only authorized parties can understand the information. It takes readable data and alters it so that it appears random to attackers or anyone else who intercepts it. In this way, encryption is like a secret code. The Virtual Private Network Global Market Trajectory and Analytics predicts that the VPN market will grow at a compound annual growth rate of 17.2% over the next 5 years. After seeing above average growth in 2020, it is on track to reach more than $107.5 billion by 2027. This is a sharp increase over a previous estimate by Global Industry Analysts Inc. of $88 billion by 2027. The country with the highest use rate was Indonesia with 61%, followed by India with 45% and the UAE with 42%. The country with the highest growth rate in the VPN usage since the last study conducted in 2017 was the Netherlands. Making a strong pitch against the rise in cybercrimes, the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs has blamed the VPN app and an easily available online tool for allowing criminals to remain anonymous online. The committee has also proposed to put a check on the use of virtual private network, that is VPN, and the dark web. The committee notes with anxiety the technological challenges posed by VPN services and dark web can bypass cybersecurity walls and allow criminals to remain anonymous online. As of date, VPN can easily be downloaded as many websites are providing such facilities and advertising them. Let's look into today's headlines in VAR India. Apple's business practices in India under lens of CCI. Apple uses anti-competitive restraints and abuse of dominant practices in markets for distribution of applications, that is apps, to users as well as in the processing of payments. The Competition Commission of India ordered a detailed probe against Apple for the alleged unfair business practices in India with respect to its App Store. The agency said that Apple's App Store is the only channel for app developers to distribute their apps to iOS consumers, which is pre-installed on every iPhone and iPad. Tech Mahindra to enhance its business into cloud and automation by buying Alice India. IT services major Tech Mahindra is going to acquire Alice India, a holding company for US-based Alice Group, with an investment of $125 million. The company said it will pay a total consideration of up to $125 million, which is over 900 crores. The acquisition will help bolster business in areas such as cloud and automation engineering. Alice India Private Limited is based in Seattle and has over 660 employees. Tech Mahindra said that the acquisition would bolster its capabilities in digital experience solutions, learning and development, marketing, instructional design, engineering, cloud and automation, BI and analytics, and technical support services. Google compliance report says 61,114 content removed in November in India. Google disclosed in its transparency report that it received 26,087 complaints from users and removed 61,114 pieces of content based on those complaints in November in India. It also removed over 3.75 lakh pieces of content in November as a result of automated detection. The removal was done under several categories including copyright, which was 60,387, trademark 535 and graphic sexual content 5. The company has made these disclosures as part of compliance with India's IT rules that came into force in May this year. These complaints relate to third-party content that is believed to violate local laws or personal rights on Google's significant social media intermediaries SSMI platforms, the report said. Former boss of Sony PlayStation launches $225 million gaming SPAC. Former head of Sony's North American PlayStation business, Jack Tretton, has launched a $225 million gaming special purpose acquisition company, PowerUp Acquisition. Tretton, who joined Sony in 1995, is now the CEO of the SPAC. The company plans to leverage management's experience to target businesses within the interactive media, digital media, sports, entertainment and/or leisure sectors, with a particular focus on video gaming, gaming adjacent and new metaverse video gaming businesses. 2 million bitcoins left to be mined. What will happen after supply runs out? Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin, had put a hard cap on maximum limit of 21 million on the supply, regulating it through an algorithm in its source code. A new Bitcoin is added to the supply at a fixed rate of 1 block every 10 minutes. However, the algorithm is such that the new Bitcoins in each block are reduced by half every 4 years. Around 19 million Bitcoins have been mined, leaving only 2 million to be mined in the future. Experts predict that the remaining Bitcoins will be mined by 2140. The challenge is that Bitcoin reached 90% of its maximum supply earlier this month. That's it for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Var India News Magazine. You can download the Var India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Wishing you a very happy, healthy and prosperous New Year. Stay tuned. Thank you.